Hello students, welcome back. Today we will continue with exercise 3.3. In our last video, we had completed till question number 6 of exercise 3.3. Okay, now let's move ahead. Question number 7. Okay, A. See, it is given that show matrix A is a symmetric matrix and B, show this matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. Now, what is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix? That I had already discussed in the first video lecture of this chapter, matrices. Okay, so you can refer that. Okay, I'm also now revising you short what is symmetric. If A and A transpose both are same, means matrix A and transpose of matrix A, if both are same, then they are called as symmetric matrix. Okay, and if matrix A is negative of its transpose, then it is called, or then the matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so if a matrix is equal to its transpose, symmetric matrix. If a matrix is equal to negative of its transpose, then it's skew symmetric. Okay, so let's start. Matrix A is given A equal to 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. Let's name it as 1. Now transpose of A. Okay, convert the rows into column and column into rows. That is transpose. So 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 2. Now just observe it. First row same, second row same, third row same. So what does that imply? From 1 and 2, A is equal to A transpose. That means A is symmetric matrix. Okay, so it's very simple, just transpose it. Both are equal, so it's a symmetric matrix. Okay, so note down this sum. Next, B. In that it is given A equal to 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay, so this is matrix A. Now we have to show that it is a skew symmetric matrix. So its transpose would be negative of this. Let's check it. So now A transpose, this will be equal to 0, 1, minus 1 converted into row, sorry, column minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. Okay, clear. Now you can see that here the first row is not same. So now let's take minus sign common. If I take minus common, this will be plus 1. Minus common, this will be minus 1, right? So this I can write it down. I'm taking minus 1. Okay, from the matrix 0 plus 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 1 minus 1, sorry, here it will be plus 1, 0. Clear? Again, 0, sorry, minus 1, 0, change the sign, 1, minus 1, 0. Okay, so now what can you see this? This is same as this, right? So this is equal to minus A. From 1, A transpose equal to minus A, that implies A is equal to minus or negative of A transpose. So what does this mean? A is Q symmetric matrix. Okay, so A is a skew symmetric matrix. Yeah, so note down this one. Okay, next question number 8. In question number 8, a matrix is given A equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. The first part you have to show that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. And B, you have to show that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, clear? So matrix A is given. First part is you have to show A plus A transpose, that is symmetric matrix, and A minus A transpose, that is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so let's start with that. So let's write down A plus A transpose. Okay, so now what is A? 1, 5, 6, 7. Plus A transpose means change it to column, change these rows to column. Okay, so what will be this? 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. 7 plus 7, 14. So this is A plus A transpose. Okay, now let's take transpose of this. A plus A transpose whole transpose. Right? Now, name this as 1. So now convert this row to column. 2, 11, 11, 14. This is 2. So now what can you see? Both are same. So from 1 and 2, A plus A transpose is equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. Right? So both are same. So you can say that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Okay, what I have done, I have found out A plus A transpose, then I have taken transpose of this, both are same, so it is a symmetric matrix. Okay, just note down this question. Okay, let's see the next one. B, A minus A transpose. So what is this? A, I will write down 1, 5, 6, 7 minus, convert it into column. Okay, so 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 6, minus 1. 6 minus 5, plus 1. And 7 minus 7, 0. Okay, so this is A minus A transpose, name it as 1. Now let's take A plus A transpose whole transpose. Change it to 0 minus 1. We have changed this row to column 1 0, right? So the only difference here is minus 1. If I multiply by minus 1, it's plus 1. 1, if I multiply by minus 1, it's plus 1. Clear? Sorry, minus 1. So what I will do, minus 1 multiplied outside and multiplied inside. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 0, minus 1, 1, 0. So this is what is this? This is A minus minus A. So I can write it down A plus A transpose, sorry, A minus A transpose is equal to minus A plus A transpose whole transpose. Right? So both matrices are same, but here is a negative sign. So this implies, sorry, it's not plus, it's minus. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay? Here, just note down this sum. Okay, let's move to the next one. Question number 9. Matrix A is given in question 9. Okay. Matrix A is 0AB minus A 0C and minus B minus C 0. And you have to find out half A plus A transpose and half A minus A transpose. Okay, so let's start with this first. Half A plus A transpose. So what will be this? Half. What is A? 0AB minus A 0C minus B minus C 0, sorry, plus A transpose. So convert these rows to column. 0AB minus A 0C BC 0. Okay, so what will be this? Half 0 plus 0 0, A minus A 0, B plus B 2B minus A plus A 0, 0 plus 0 0, C plus C 2C minus B plus B 0, minus C plus C 0, 0 plus 0 0. Okay, let me check. Have we counted 0 AB minus A 0 C? Okay, here I just made a mistake. 0 AB minus A 0 C, it's minus B minus C 0. So I need to change it once again. Okay, 0 plus 0, A minus A 0, B minus B 0, minus A plus A 0, C minus C 0, minus B plus B 0, minus C plus C 0, and 0 plus 0, 0. So this is a zero matrix. Okay, clear? So half into A plus A transpose in this case is zero matrix. Now let's find it out. Half into A minus A transpose. Okay, let me write down here zero matrix. Half again 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 minus 0 minus A minus B A 0 minus C B C 0. I just copied it down, it transfers from here. So this will be equal to half 0 minus 0 0 A minus minus A plus A B minus minus B 2B minus A minus minus A minus 2A 0 C minus minus C 2C minus B minus B minus 2B minus C minus 2C 0. Okay, so I multiply this half. What I will get? I will get 0 A B A minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Okay, so what did I get? You will observe that this is equal to matrix A only. Clear? So half A minus A transpose in this case we get this equal to matrix A. Clear? So note down question number 9. Next is question number 10. There are four sub questions in question 10. The question is express the following as a sum of symmetric and q-symmetric matrix. Okay, now see, remember if you take any matrix A, taking any matrix A, half into A plus A transpose. Okay, let me write down it here. Half A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix for any matrix A. Half into A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, and half into A plus minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, remember half into matrix plus its transpose is a symmetric, half into matrix minus its transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, right? So see here, when I will add these two, half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. Half will get common. So A plus A, 2A, A transpose minus A transpose gets cancelled. So half into 2A, this will be equal to A. Clear? And if I take half A plus A transpose minus half A minus A transpose, then A minus A will get cancelled and this will be A transpose minus A transpose, 2 times A transpose into half, this will be A transpose. Okay? So now see, if I arrange matrix A as 1 plus 2, symmetric plus skew symmetric. Okay, and here symmetric minus skew symmetric. Clear? So see what is asked? Express the following as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Clear? So now what I will do, this is not necessary. We for this sum, this is necessary. Right? So I will erase it. So I will do any one sum for that. Let's solve question number B. Okay, let's take in B this as matrix. A is equal to 6 minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. 2 minus 1, 3. Okay, and what is A transpose? Let me write it down. Change this row to column minus 6, 2, 2, minus 3, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Okay, so if I want to express this as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, then I can write it down. A is equal to half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. Okay, this will be symmetric, this will be skew symmetric. Remember this property. Half into A plus A transpose. Any matrix, you will take any matrix. If you will write in this form, half into A plus A transpose, it will be always symmetric. And half into A minus A transpose, it will be always skew symmetric. Okay. So now, what will be this half? A plus A. So 6 plus minus 6, 0. Minus 2 plus minus 3, minus 5. 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. 3 plus 3, 6. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. 3 plus 3, 6. Plus half. Now 6 minus minus 6 means plus. Minus 2 minus minus 3 means plus 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 1 minus minus 1 means it will be 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1 minus minus 1, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, so now A will be A equal to 1 by 2 into multiply it, 0 minus 5 by 2, 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 minus 1. Here it will be 4, sorry, 2 minus 1 and 3 plus 6 1 by 2, 0 minus 5 by 2, 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, just there is a mistake. When I will A minus A, so minus 3 minus minus 2 to the 5 and minus 6 minus 3. I am naming this matrix as A. So A transpose will be equal to 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so I can write it down. A equal to half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. Okay, so this will be equal to half. What is A plus A transpose? 6 plus 6, 12. Minus 2 plus minus 2, minus 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, then minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4, 3 plus 3, 6, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 minus 1, 0, 3 plus 3, 6, plus half. Now I will subtract it. 6 minus 6, 0, minus 2, minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 2, 0. Okay, so let's multiply it. So A is equal to 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, 3 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 1. So A is sum of symmetric plus skew symmetric. Okay, so matrix A we have represented a sum of symmetric. So you can see it's symmetric. I will transfer this row into column 6 minus 2 2 6 minus 2 2. Second minus 2 3 0 minus 2 3 0 2 0 3 2 0 3. So its transpose is same. So it's symmetric. And here its transpose is negative because this minus 1 will be displaced here and this will be here. So this is skew symmetric. So we had expressed matrix A into a symmetric plus skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so by this way solve A, B and D. Remember this property, half A plus A transpose will be always symmetric matrix and half A minus A transpose will be always skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so note down this and try to solve the other three ones. Okay, students, so that's it for today. In our next video lecture, in our next video lecture, we will study a new type of sum, reduced row echelon method. We'll try to find out the inverse of matrix. Okay, thank you.